Yada 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 yada. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing installing my wig at 2 a.m. video. I kind of decided to do this because I seen it was like very popular, which was kind of surprising because I didn't think people would be up at 2 a.m. doing a wig, but here I am, 2 a.m. doing my wig. I can't even show y'all the time also because I am filming on my phone. But the company I will be working with today is called celiehair. So let me show y'all. So this is the package. This is the box that the wig came in. It says celiehair and it's like orange, like purple. It's purple and it looks like this around. Feel me? They got their socials on the back and it's just empty in here because that's where the wig was. And they sent me also another little bag, and this bag has like some stuff in here. It came with this, which looks like a headband, but I'm not 100% sure. Yeah, okay, so they sent me this really cute headband that I'm most likely going to wear because, feel me, them days when the lace is kind of, feel me, all that. It's a bunch of stuff in here. Okay, so they sent me a wig cap, which I need, and thank you for sending me my color because I swear, some of the companies be sending me like wig caps and it be so dark. I'd be like, but you watch my videos, okay. They sent me these lashes, which are really cute. Like, they actually look good, some nice quality. And they sent me a bonnet. Yes, sir. New bonnet. Yeah. This is the wig. So I already bleached the knots on the wig and I already plucked it. But surprisingly, when I opened the wig, like it was it looked already plucked. So I plucked it a little bit more. But I already bleached the knots and plucked the wig. So this is how let me show y'all how good I did on this pluck. Like, look at it. Look at it. Yeah, this is how the hair looks. Now it looks frizzy like this because I already washed it. I bleached the knots, I let it air dry, and I was combing through it while I was plucking the wig. So that's why it looks like a little frizzy, but it didn't look like this at all when it came out the box. It looked very much silky and full. All right guys, so I'm actually not gonna be talking too much in this video because you know it's late. Your girl's just trying to put on the wig and show y'all what I do. I'm not gonna talk too much. I'm gonna talk here and there. Might do a little voiceover if anything needs to be explained. But yeah, I'm gonna put on the wig. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Make sure you guys go check out celiehair. Everything will be in the description box down below. And yeah, let's get right on to the video. So this is the before. And then the after is coming up. Boom, let's do it. Drop, 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 drop. Swirl, 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 swirl. Blow. Snip, snip. When you guys are doing this part and you guys are putting the glue, making sure it's flat, and then using the blow dryer, make sure you guys have it on cool, not on warm, not on hot, because it will make the glue dry and not tacky.
Bitch, you better do my hair tomorrow, babe.
Woo! And that's just on Mary Had a Little Lamb. Yeah. But okay, guys, so this is how the hair turned out. As you guys can see, it's very much, it's giving body, it's giving volume. Like, yes, I love this so much. I actually pin curled the hair, as you guys seen in the last clip, and then it's actually morning now. Like, well, it was, I was super tired, y'all. I was super tired. I was up till like 5 in the morning. And I was just very much stressed. If you guys want another video like this, I will be more than glad and more than happy to get that to you guys. But yeah, this is how the hair turned out. Let me show y'all. Let me give y'all a 360. Woo-hoo. Body yada 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 yada. But yeah, this is how the edges look. I want to show y'all up close how the lace looks and how the edges look, because as you guys can see, this is raw footage, no filter, no nothing, and this is how everything looks. You know, I just got to clean this up right here with some alcohol, that's all. But other than that, like, everything looks amazing. Make sure you guys go check out Celie here. All the information will be in the description down below. Also, if I do have a coupon code, it will also be in the description down below. So make sure you guys go get that coupon code, because y'all, we're trying to save coin all year, okay? Like, make coin, yes, but save coin also. Just because you got a big bank don't mean you got to spend it. Period. Feel me? So yeah, make sure you guys go check them out. All the information will be in the description box down below. Make sure you guys like, comment, share, and subscribe. Follow me on all my social media platforms. Comment down below any other hairstyles you guys would like me to do, or any other videos you guys would like to see. Make sure you guys go follow me on my Instagram, y'all. Like, that's where I really keep you guys updated to everything you guys see, whatever I do in my everyday life. And yeah, until next time, Desi out.
I feel roll this dirty, won't fall with no pill. Young nigga come from the hill. Won't show emotions, but feelings be real. I say, baby, yo, what's the deal? Phone in my pocket right next to the scale.